Linking your bank account to UMB Bank is a straightforward process that allows you to manage your finances more efficiently. Follow these steps to complete the linking process. Step 1. Visit the UMB Bank website. Go to the official UMB Bank website using your preferred web browser. Ensure you are on the correct site to avoid phishing attempts. Step 2. Log into your account. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings or profile section in the main menu. This is where you can manage your linked accounts and personal information. Step 4. Select Link New Account. In the account settings section, find the option that says Link New Account or Add External Account. Click on this option to begin the linking process. Step 5. Enter bank account information. Fill out the required fields with your external bank account details, including the account number and routing number. Review the information for accuracy and submit the form. After completing these steps, your bank account should be successfully linked to UMB Bank. You can now manage your finances more conveniently through their online platform.